Welcome to my hike across Switzerland on the Swiss Panoramic Trail. Sometimes it is too good to be true. Look at kitty cat. An Alp House is a restaurant. Look at all these cowbells. Good morning and welcome to segment 1, day 1 of the Panoramic Trail, route number 3. We're in the city of Rorschach. And today's hike is going to be about 17 kilometers. We're going to be going from here, the Bodensee, Lake Constance. We'll be heading into the mountains toward Appenzeller region. And we're going to be crossing through the city of Heiden and Trogen. We'll end today in Trogen. We'll start tomorrow there. From segment 2, just a little preview. Segment 2 will start in Trogen and we'll end segment 2 in the city of Appenzeller. We'll be tasting some cheeses, we'll be tasting some beer. There's one of the national beer breweries is there as well, from the headquarters of the Appenzeller cheese right here in Rorschach, where we are today. That's the Kornhaus. This is the city central. And we'll see. Today's hike, like I said, will be about 17 kilometers. I think it'll take about 5.5 hours. There's a lot of up and down. More up today than down. Something like 3,000 feet, a little over 1,000 meters. And down is going to be about 2,000 feet. We'll see. We'll see how that all goes. So it's a great April day, and it just feels like a good day for a hike. From a temperature standpoint, couldn't be any better. I love kind of the high 50s, low 60s from a hiking temperature standpoint. My fingers are just cold, but you know, I'm not going to get all sweaty. But the sun is out, so we'll have to put some suntan lotion on as the day goes on. I wanted to point out behind me on the other side of the Bodensee is Germany, and straight over there is Austria. This is the northernmost part of Switzerland, and almost all the rivers that are from this side of the Alps flow north. They flow against gravity. Well, that's actually with gravity because the Alpine mountains are high, and so they're flowing down, and almost all that water goes into the Rhine River, which then goes through the city of Basel and straight up north into Germany and then out to the North Sea. So when we pass these rivers and streams, just know that this is feeding the Rhine River until we get down toward Lake Geneva, where the waters will start to feed into the Rhone River. I love Lake Constance. It's a great way to cool off in the summertime. We go up to the city of Constance and cross over into Germany for a little bit, and you know, 100 meters or so, and there's some swimming areas, and so it's a really nice place to cool down in the summer and go for a weekend. Lake Constance, you know, it's just Bodensee. It is definitely a cool place to be, so I'm really happy to start. This is the start of National Route number 3. This city, Rorschach, is also the start of National Route number 4. We're going to stay on 3 for today. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Tune into the channel. Make sure you get all your daily 360-degree videos. And we're off.